Have you ever wondered how safe your children are when they surf the internet? Welcome to an exploration of the Online Safety Bill, a piece of legislation set to regulate the internet in the UK by next summer. Originally, the bill included measures compelling tech giants to remove legal yet harmful content, a move that was subsequently dropped over concerns of infringing upon free speech. Despite these changes, the government stands firm in its assertion that the safety of children online remains uncompromised. So, what does this mean for our children's safety on the internet? The bill still mandates tech companies to shield those under 18 from content that might inflict significant harm. It's not a laissez-faire approach, not by a long shot. Platforms like Instagram are stepping up, employing age verification technology and parental controls to ensure a safer online environment. The responsibility is clear, the tools are there, and the tech giants are held accountable. However, these changes have not been without criticism. What does the controversy surrounding the Online Safety Bill entail? Critics, including Labour and the Samaritans, express concern that recent changes are a step backward, potentially jeopardizing online safety. A father who tragically lost his daughter to suicide after she viewed harmful content online suggests the bill has been diluted for political reasons. The government maintain their unwavering commitment to children's safety online and stresses that the bill's alterations do not weaken this commitment. Previously, the bill required tech giants to tackle some legal but harmful material accessed by adults. This was seen as a potential threat to free speech and has since been removed. Now, tech platforms are expected to provide adults with more control to filter out undesirable content. As the Online Safety Bill evolves, the question remains: are we doing enough to protect our children in the digital age?